Well, we didn't quite get done today. Almost. Everything's wired. Turns out the auger hole in the coal bin was a bit trickier than I thought it was. Took 3 tries to get it right. So, yeah, it'll need a big patch on it to hold it together. What's in there? There's coal up in the pot. Ready to go. Siliconed up the base area here so no draft will leak through it. And I'm ready to put the boiler liquid in. This is made by Hercules. Meant to seal leaks in boiler systems. So put a 3/4 inch nipple there, a 90 3/4 inch nipple valve, and the water levels drained down to about here right now. So when I'm ready to fire it, I'll open the valve, dump a quart of this stuff in there, then fill the boiler back up, and it should seal up. You run the pump constantly and you keep it at real high pressure, probably 25, 28 pounds, something just under what the pressure relief valve will blow off at. And the pressure and the heat, you got to keep it above 160 degrees. The pressure and the heat will seal it up. Okay, maybe we'll fire it up tomorrow morning.